Oh my!
What's up guys, it's Maury with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are doing well. I am super excited to go over something we've never done on Auto Addict. We've done the install on the product, but it's a special finish that we're gonna be offering now available by special order. What's that product? We're gonna introduce the wide body kit Street Fighter LA full-on carbon fiber for fenders with the die fling carbon fiber on a Gen 6 2020 Chevy Camaro. What's the show, guys? Let's go ahead and dive into all the information, all that's on this kit, and I cannot wait to show you guys what's outside this car. Thank you so much to Gio for giving us the opportunity and believing in us. We're super excited to give you this car to you, and again, he's gonna be rolling out with his amazing car club, West Coast Camaros. Shout out to you guys for being awesome as well, and they're gonna be attending a meet in Las Vegas this coming weekend, so it's the perfect chance right now for him to display this carbon kit. I'll see you guys outside.
Whoa! Oh my!
There goes your carbon fiber wide body kit.
Bro, this is better than I imagined. Oh my god! This is this is something else. No freaking way!
Look at where the gas cap is.
Bro,
Crazy.
bro, you have outdone yourself. No lie.
Oh, touch the surface right here. Ooh, it's like a brand new car.
Bro, you have outdone yourself. No lie. I appreciate you, brother, so much.
Yeah, look at the Canards, the carbon fiber there. I mean,
This is literally the best.
it's
I've
literally
ever
hands-on. The fastest turnaround. You're getting ready for your club meet in Vegas. This is exactly what we want.
Oh my god, bro.
So,
I'm in love.
Yeah?
Okay? It's like the first time I have taken it out
hell yeah.
from the dealer.
There you
I'm
go.
in love with this.
Brand new.
How much? Thank you, brother.
Of course. All love, man. All love. All love.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, like it literally has gotten to my head right now. Like,
Exactly. Like you're a carbon fiber wide body kit. Literally.
oh my god.
Like, you know, we've done so many of these, but like a carbon fiber here, there's no way.
No way, bro. Oh my god. Bro, like literally I feel like crying a little bit.
Wow, okay.
That's how much.
That's what's up. Shine on it, everything. So.
It glows, bro. Like, bro, like for real, you have outdone yourself.
That's what's up, brother. That's what's up.
Oh man, I cannot wait for the next adventure.
Shall we get some park footage then?
For sure, let's
Yeah.
go.
Rio on the beat.
There you guys have it. As you can see, the Street Fighter carbon fiber wide body full kit with the custom die flings that fits really good with our conversion kit bumper. Gio got equipped with the carbon fiber trunk Ducklid with us, obviously the wide body kit, the ZL1 1LE conversion bumper, and he's up to more. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're working on that amazing fitment that we're gonna accomplish for him. Also, suspension is coming in towards him very, very soon, so stay tuned. Again, if you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button so you guys are fully aware of what's going on. We have some amazing, amazing builds going and happening in our HQ in Anaheim. Stay tuned, we got a trip coming out very soon, and I can't wait